There was a crack on my windshield, so I bought this windshield repair kit to get rid of the crack, and it worked wonders. What I did was I started with the provided little pin to be able to get out any little pieces of glass within the crack. I wiped it down with paper towel, wet and then a dry one. I put on this clamp that had suction cups on all four corners, and then I'm able to have a good grip for pinpointing right at the center of the crack. I put on the provided nozzle and I then twisted it so that it now has pressure. This makes all the suction cups stay in place, and the whole piece will then go up as well as I continue to turn it. This is gonna help me to pinpoint and get the resin directly into the whole crack of the windshield. So I just put in a few drops of this resin, and this is going to now set me up for success. I take this little cylinder and I screw it in, and this is now putting pressure into the resin to fill in every little nook and cranny of the crack on the windshield. I let this sit for about a minute or two before removing it. So once it was done, then I unscrewed it and took out the whole pin and the base that I put that into. Took it all out. There'll be a few drops of resin that will drip down, which is perfectly fine and will wipe off. Then I took off the whole suction cup base, and then I put just another dab or two of the resin onto the provided film, and just to really make sure when this is curing, it is completely filled, no extra areas that are not filled with resin. Just gave it a little tap and getting out any little air bubbles. It had a razor in there, and while it still had the guard on the razor, I just helped get out any air bubbles. Then I used the UV light that it comes with. This is going to help cure and harden the resin so that the crack on the windshield is completely filled and dried. Has two settings on there for 2-minute and 4-minute curing. I did the 4-minute just to give it some extra time, because why not? I want it to be fully cured. After the full 4 minutes, I removed the plastic film, and then everything is now fully cured and hardened. It came with a razor, so I used the razor just to scrape off all the resin that is around the area of where the crack was, and I'm able to scrape it off. It came off really easily, and I just went around the whole perimeter of it to get it off. You can see it kind of just scrapes off, kind of like hardened glue on your fingers. You're able to just kind of peel it right off. Just took a little bit of wiggling and just a few moments to get it all off, but it definitely came off all clean and clear. And then after that, it was just a very simple wipe down process. And then I just went back over it one more time with the razor to get off last little bits and pieces of the cured epoxy. Then I just wiped it down with a wet paper towel. And this was the only thing that didn't come with the kit, was just the paper towel. I just used a wet paper towel and then a dry paper towel to go over it. And that's how I was able to achieve from this crack on my windshield to now completely gone and filled. Looks like it was never there before, and another perspective of it. Highly recommend this product. Definitely give it a try.